start looking.
Okay, now we start looking.
Water. They don't got no pumps anymore, huh?
Somebody here. Unless that's the
Probably
host.
camp host.
That's a nice one there.
Yeah. He's talking to somebody, so there gotta be some kind of signal out there. Oh, right there's a good spot on the hill. Oh, you see somebody?
Yeah, somebody's waving.
Oh. That's a good spot on the hill.
Is it?
It's on the hill.
Okay, that's 13.
But if you want the party animal spot,
Your destination is on the left.
right here. Huh.
That's it, that's by the lake. Ah, little scamper.
There's some other ones down here by the lake and shit too.
Yeah, they get pretty far away from the lake.
There's 17, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a long ways down.
Yeah, it is. No, you like that one site on the end here that we took that one time. A couple of these sites back here you liked.
Yeah, somebody's always in this one.
Got that one. Oh, this one up here. I think your last one's right there.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I was running to another one.
We're gonna have to get 2 hammers.
You only hammer this down so far and you gotta stop.
Oh!
Okay, cool.
So what are we gonna hook that to? That hole? Or
I'll just
something?
have to figure something else out.
Son of a bitch. You're just unreal.
That's why they put the nail there. You gotta hit the nail.
No shit.
Yeah, gotta hit the nail right here. Not this.
Now we gotta get the center pull in. Now I can
Unzip them. Yeah. And the way that we gotta roll it back together is really funky.
Oh yeah?
All right, you gotta make it peaks and everything. Okay, this goes up top.
Okay.
This goes on the bottom.
The triangular thing goes on top?
This one.
Okay.
See where the D-ring is?
Hey, hold on a second. I gotta get it in the tool.
Yeah, take your time.
Pocket.
Yeah, take your time.
Okay, I think I got it in the right spot.
Yeah, just leave it. No. Now these two go on the inside door. Should be markings. Okay, there's gonna be a hole right by your head there.
Yeah, I seen it already. And
That
then
goes
there's
in there.
2 pockets that the ends go in, right?
Yeah. We might have to readjust this because I'm putting on a second hole. You can leave the door and go and take this back then. Damn, without breaking it.
Yeah, they're breaking the door too.
And I'll bring them up. Got it? Cool.
Yeah.
Well, the second one's going to be twice as hard. Easy, huh?
It was easier.
So how do you like it so far in there?
I'm loving it so far.
Yeah?
But like I said, it's definitely not as big as I pictured it would be.
So far it's not bad. Hey, but if you go like this, see you pull your tent out.
Yeah, right. So maybe if you want to put that down, if it's going to rain, but...
Yeah. So come back here and sink it. Stretch them out and sink it, and then we can tighten them up. Yeah. You got to go too far back and go short and we'll tighten them up.
So I got to pull that thing all the way back?
No, you first you got to put a stake in.
That's why I asked if I pulled that all the way back and put a stake in there. Just put a stake on the rope?
Yeah, put a stake, hook the rope on that stake, then we'll adjust it with those up there.
Okay, I'll do one here, then I'll do one on each side. Okay.
Hey! What do you guys think? Is she a go or keeper? Ah! Ah! No stake for you tonight. And I'll go back and tie it up.
Like this?
You can come in a little bit closer.
Oh, you just got to tighten it up.
Yeah. Yes, a bell tent. How long will we keep this one? Nobody knows. I'm a chiquita banana. Come in my tent for a while.
Well, guys, took us a while, but we got things pretty well set up. This is our new tent. It is a bell/yurt tent, a Danshell
Recommendation?
Oxford cloth, and it was pretty easy to put up. It took quite some time because it was our first time, but easy.
Recommendation, get the 16 mil.
Yeah, it's definitely smaller than what we had thought. We got the 13.5 foot,
13 mil, now we need 16.
which is the 4 millimeter. So, no, the 4 millimeter, or 4 meter millimeter. So we would definitely want to go to the 16 foot. Everything does fit, but with the stove in the center pole, makes things a little bit crowded. So we might downsize to a double mattress instead of this big old queen. And that'll give us a little more space. And we are itty bitty cuter than ever wood stove we got from Temu. Now, the stove itself only cost $65, but we had to buy extra pipe and we had to buy a spark arrestor. So with having to buy everything, it ended up costing over $100 anyway. So, but sure is
Apparently
cute.
They got short tents in Chinese land.
It's got the nice insulation in the door. A very tiny burn box, but we don't need a very big fire in here. Whew. So, this is it. Hopefully this will work out good. So, Chiquita Banana, what's
Hey.
next?
Go find food and starve.
You too. Oh my gosh, you guys, is this a beautiful sight to wake up to or what? Beautiful fog over the water.